thing's heavy. Well, I ain't riding it. I'm gonna let go. Fuck. Hold on. So we gotta drag the front end over. Ah.
You want it this way?
Yeah. And then just spin the front tire. Hold on, this thing's trying to crush me. Holy fuck. One more good one. One more.
Ready?
Fuck you. All right. Here. That's why you don't bring a refrigerator up a fucking mountain.
Hi guys. Ready to...
Your tire is smoothbore with mud.
Yes. Cut some of your fucking lugs off or something.
I'm gonna have a stroke. Okay.
See what I was doing right there?
Okay, so
You're right.
clutch in.
Clutch. Brake off. More brake. Hold on.
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Yep. I'd say you're rolling from there.
Good, breathe.